Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Mozilla Firefox from an older version to a version that is available recently. So in order to check for an update, what you do is you see this little 3-line thing. You want to find that. You want to go on help, and then you see all these options. You go on About Firefox. As you can see, it says Firefox is up to date. So my Firefox is at the moment up to date. If there is a newer version, you will be asked to update from here. It's a fairly straightforward process. So I'm going to repeat that again. From here, you go to Help, and then About Firefox. The version will be checking for updates on its own. So that is how you update your Mozilla Firefox on Windows. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye bye.